In this video, we're going to talk about how you can redeem Fliff cash. So first, what are the currencies on Fliff? So you have these Fliff coins, which you can use to play. If we click on here, we can read more about them. So they can be obtained through coin purchases or alternative methods. They are redeemable for cash prices or Fliff coins, and the minimum price value is $50. Now, Fliff cash, on the other hand, you can redeem as actual payment into your bank account. So how we can do this, we just want to click on the profile icon at the center, at the bottom, right above the link. And then we'll select the three lines in the top right corner. So from here, you should see an option called Redeem Fliff Cash. If we select this option, if we have successfully verified identity, so we will need to have verified our identity before we redeem the cash. And if we have successfully verified the identity and connected a bank account, then this money, this Fliff cash, which we have, can go directly into our bank account. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.